The new year, higher drug prices. Heard that story before? Well, in the Wall Street Journal today, the paper is reporting that pharmaceutical company Allergan is setting the tone for 2019 with a nearly 10% increase in prices on more than a dozen drugs. Allergan among more than 36 other drug companies that are raising prices this year. The average price increase among companies implementing a hike, 6.3%. Joining us now, Fox News medical contributor, Dr. Nicole Saphier. Doctor,
good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Thanks for having me.
Please call, because everybody's going to be angry about this. What's going on?
Well, first of all, I love that Allergan has a social contract with their patients saying that they would never raise their drug prices 10% or more. So what they did, they went 9.5%. So they did stay within that social contract. You know, this raise is not unexpected, and it's not out of line of what we've seen in the past. You know, they held off because of Trump's threatening tweets over the summers, but these were expected. I'm looking forward to 2020, where we may actually see some of the outcomes of what the Trump administration and the FDA are trying to do with bringing more generics to market. Allergan specifically, you know, they are the ones who manufacture Botox, Juvederm, Latisse, a lot of these cosmetic medicines. Those did not increase, but they also don't go through insurance companies or PBMs for them. The ones that did increase, it's the dry eye medicine called Restasis, and they just saw big competition this year. If you saw Jennifer Aniston on the news, she's been promoting their competition, Xeta. And also, at the end of 2019, they're going to have generics in their market. So they decided to increase that price right now because the capitalistic economy, they're going to have generics. It's going to have price competition. So they're trying to get profits now. Not unexpected, in my opinion.
Well, one thing Allergan is doing is they're trying to develop more uses for like Botox that out of the cosmetic field. One of the areas of focus for them is through people who have incontinence issues and kind of the urological applications of that drug. So they're trying to expand the base of usage and maybe make it covered by insurance. And so you would think with these money makers for cosmetic purposes that they wouldn't be hiking prices. Like this. Also, this long-acting Alzheimer's drug is another one.
Right. And also we are going to be seeing more biosims or biosimilars coming out for the Alzheimer's medication. So I really think that they're trying to maximize their profits right now. When it comes to Botox and using it in different modalities, you know, it's not necessarily the drug company trying to do that. We as physicians have been doing that. We've been using it for migraines, as you mentioned, urological issues. I mean, we actually do use things off market. Now, if we get it through FDA approval, it'll go through insurance. And we have to remember, these prices that are being increased are list prices. These are not the prices that patients are paying.
That's what I wanted to ask, is how much will it come down to the individual pocketbook compared to insurance?
Well, let me tell you, that depends on the insurance companies and the pharmacy benefit managers, because what happens, the drug companies, they'll increase these list prices, but they also increase the rebates that they send out as well. So the insurance company, they can either trickle down that savings to their patients, or they can have the patients pay more out of pocket through their copays or their deductibles. So it's not always a nefarious drug manufacturers. You also have to take into account the profitability of the insurance companies and the pharmacy benefit managers. There's a lot of profitability before you see any sort of patient savings.
There's a lot of merging in that sector, too.
Great to see you.
Thank you so much.
I love that you're here in every way, but also that you use the word modalities. That makes my day. Because again, I was trying to get my mouth around explaining that, and you did it well, perfectly.
That is what I'm here for, Dagan. Thank you for having me.
It's always good to see you. I hope I see you much more in the new year.
Absolutely.
Happy New Year, by the way.
As well.
Dr. Nicole Saphier.